My name is Joshua Otto. I am a real estate agent here in Southwest Florida, and today I get to show you a beautiful model built by Stock Luxury Homes here in Naples, Florida, called Covington III. It's located in Caymas, right off Collier Boulevard, just north of Rattlesnake Hammock. It's a beautiful community and a beautiful model, and I'm super excited to be able to show you it. Now, if you've been on my channel before, welcome back. I appreciate you coming in. If you're new to my channel, again, my name is Joshua Otto. I'm a real estate agent here in Southwest Florida, and I'm going to be doing a lot of videos like this where I'm showing you beautiful communities, beautiful homes located here in the area, also talking to you a little bit about buying and selling a home. So if you like these kind of videos, you're going to want to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get on to the tour. So here we are, the Covington III, being built by Stock Luxury Homes here in Caymas, Naples, one of the newest luxury communities coming to Naples, Florida. And what I like about this home is the floor plan. It is designed very well. It's comfortable, functional, and just very well thought out. Caymas is in a really convenient location here in Naples. You're close to the beaches, dining, shopping, and everything people move here for, but you still have that quieter, private community atmosphere. Now, once you walk inside, you'll see exactly what I mean by how well this home flows. So the Covington III offers just over 2,700 square feet of living space with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a dedicated study, and a layout centered around this open great room concept. Everything connects really naturally here. The great room flows right into the kitchen and dining space, and then straight out to the outdoor living area, which is a huge part of living in Naples. And one feature I think a lot of people are going to appreciate is the optional bonus room layout. If you add that space, the home expands over to 3,100 square feet of living area and nearly 4,800 total square feet. You've also got a full 3-car garage, which is always a huge plus, especially for storage, golf carts, or just having that extra space. And like a lot of stock homes, this one really leans into that indoor-outdoor lifestyle with a great outdoor living setup that feels like an extension of the home itself. So with all that being said, let's walk through, let's take a closer look at how this all comes together. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. right, so there you have it. That is the Covington III. As you see, this is a truly beautiful property. It offers so much to a buyer and truly is a unique opportunity. If you are interested, I would love to answer any questions you have. You can call or text me the number you see on the screen. Again, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.